Oriri namba ya andu aria mekiritwo mukonde kurwara king'uki kia murimu wa coronavirus bururi-ini ithiite na mbere na kuongerereka. Thirikari niyaniriire kwambiriria kuregeria mikana iria ikoretwo ho kwa ihinda ta njira ya guthaitira utambia wa murimu uyu makiria muno ari itanya-ini ria guthaitira kuhauka kwa utonga wa bururi kumana na kuhingwo gwa biacara nyingi. Biacara cia mikawa ricio cia mbere kuheo mweke wa gucokereria mawira-ini macio ihinda-ini o riothe, ona gutuika no nginya mahingie mawatho matiganite na maria maniriirwo ni ministry ya ugima wa mwiri niguo guthaitira utheremia wa murimu uyu.
Those restaurants that are going to open for this purpose must limit the number of persons who are going to be in the restaurant so that they can be able to keep the social distances that we have recommended. They can be able to keep at least 4 people for 10 square meters. The tables within the dining areas must be spaced at least 1.5 meters apart.
Hamwe na mitaratara iria mikawa yathitwo kuhingia mbere ya kuhingura ni gutigirira aruti wira othe a mikawa iyo ni mathimwo murimu uyu, gutigirira gutire mundu uritikiragio kuingira atekirite mask undu umwe na guthambia moko. Mikawa yothe itigirire ni yathingatithia uraihu wa kuma mundu umwe nginya ungi, na mikawa ino ihinguragwo kuma thaa 11 cia rucini na kuhingwo thaa 10 cia muthenya.
We must maintain the social distances not just along but also behind, behind each other. We have also said that this is not a license to start opening pubs. It is not a license to start opening alcohol sale across the country. Alcohol shall only be sold with those having meals in the normal manner in a restaurant. We have not opened bars.
Undu uyu ukite kurumirira ndumiriri ya President Uhuru Kenyatta thiku igiri hituku kurianiriire njira itiganite cia kunyitirira utonga wa bururi kumana na kuhaguka ihinda-ini riri. Kuhingurwo kwa mikawa gugikirirwo na njira nene kuona niguo kuhonokia namba nene ya mawira.
This is all in an attempt to make sure that people keep eating, and people can feed their families even as this situation escalates. Of course, we will, as the President said, escalate or de-escalate these measures depending on how we see the situation going.
Maya mokite oriri namba ya arwaru a murimu uyu bururi-ini yongererekete na andu angi 8 na kurugamira andu 363. Riri namba ya andu aria mahonetio nayo yongererekete na andu angi 8 na kurugamira andu 118.
And these 8 new cases come equally from Nairobi and Mombasa, because we have got 4 from Mombasa, and you can see now Mombasa is becoming a concern, an area of concern, and we have got the rest of them from Nairobi, and all of them are Kenyans.
Girifuatara Kameme TV, Jitagomora, Wagunya.